back at it again. We're going to the gym today. It's gonna be a time and a half. Just gonna work out. Everyone's gonna be like, dude, put the camera away, you weirdo. So here we go. Alright, we're off. Yep, heading to the gym. Gonna get big. You know, that was the worst flex ever, but I didn't want to punch myself in the eye. Understandable. Dude,
Radio.
sounds horrible.
Yeah.
Ooh, check me out. Driving to school.
Whoopee.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Oh, good. It's clear. Heck yeah.
Whoa. So we're gonna get big. James, bro.
Pumps the iron.
Pumps the iron, yeah.
Looks like Schwarzenegger.
Yeah. Yeah.
Who would win in a fight? Liam Neeson or Schwarzenegger?
Yes. I don't know. Oh, I know. The guy from Doom.
Yeah.
Isn't that, we have a Mr. Doom guy? It's like an interview or something.
Oh, there's a lot of people here today.
Yeah. Pretty many. That doesn't make sense. I just said pretty many. I was gonna say pretty much, and then I was like, that doesn't make sense.
Getting closer. Oh, heck yeah. Sweet. Park next to that body. I'm taking up the whole lane.
Spring Lake High School. Spring Lake Aquatic Center. Whoa.
Ooh, it's tight again.
No, it's fine. I mean, you are close to that side, but...
Ooh. You want an not-stall car? How about that? That's a good... So we're back at home now, eh?
Yes.
I just helped my dad clean the thingamabob on his quad. I forget the name. What was it called?
Predator.
No, that's the name of the quad.
Yeah, I thought that's what you were asking.
No, okay, I cleaned I cleaned something.
The thing, the drive shaft or the...
Oh, no. I know nothing about vehicles, but, you know, I drive, I ride. No other way to live, right? Okay, so we got back from the gym, worked out, didn't get any footage because who wants to record in the gym? It's kind of weird. Caden's here.
Yeah, my boy.
Yeah, so we're home, chilling out. Gonna go wash the truck pretty soon, and oh my gosh, I'm shaky. Wash the truck and wax it probably, and probably gonna eat food. All right, see you guys. What brush you want me to
Get that wheel brush that's in that other bag.
Okay.
There's like a wheel brush, you know what I'm talking about? brushing between these spokes around the lug nuts real good.
Let's dry her off, huh?
Yeah.
You want to get
The back is the inside too.
guys, she's finally done. Washed, waxed, detailed, cleaning inside and out. Wheels looking brand new, except, you know, that right there, but clean the bed. Stuff's obviously falling off the trees a bit, but it's looking great. Sorry, I'm not the most stable while walking, but I don't have a mount or anything to keep it steady. Show you inside in just a sec. Looking nice. It's all vacuumed and everything. Just gotta get the mats put in once they're dry. Some are right there. Some are over here on the quad. I said earlier I was fixing something, or I mean cleaning it. It was that. So I kept forgetting what this was called. Carburetor. I knew that, but I forgot like 100 times. So I guess I didn't know that. But we worked on that. Got this cleaned in every way possible. It's looking nice. Just gotta put the mats in. Mats right there. And right there. And it's looking good.